What are you doing?
Well, we got some new Evo Powersports toys here. This one, it's your old fireman's hose. You know, when you're putting out them big old fires. No, but not really. So, you got a recirculating blow-off valve here. Many of you don't have a, know what the hell those are. Because you all like those BOV, vent to atmosphere blow-off valves. That shit just reminds me of Ed Bassmaster when I'm riding around. He's psh, psh, all the damn time. So with this one's awesome. Because you're out riding in the woods. You like to hunt? Right here, turkeys. With this one right here, you don't get the psh, you get the that's what you want when you're out in the woods. You got your gun in there, looking, holy shit, there's a turkey. So we install this shit, all the birds are going to be flocking. So we got to get this shit put on for Rush come this Sunday.
What? Did you say Rush?
Yeah, Rush, Sunday. We'll be there. Yeah, shit's all tore apart. Mine ain't even up here. Got ports to put on it. But we'll get it done, like always, and we'll be there. So, we got to put the on, and then see you guys down there. Have a good one.
All right, guys. So that's going to be November 10th. We're going to be down at Rush on a Sunday. See you down there.